Hey there, fellow drivers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us on the roads: auto insurance in Canada. Whether you're a new driver or an experienced one, understanding auto insurance is crucial. So let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly cover the basics. Auto insurance is a legal requirement for all drivers in Canada. It provides financial protection in case of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. Now, let's explore the key factors you should consider when choosing auto insurance. Factor number 1, coverage options. Auto insurance policies in Canada typically offer different levels of coverage, such as third-party liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. It's essential to understand what each coverage option entails and choose the one that suits your needs best. Factor number 2, policy deductibles. Your deductible is the amount you'll need to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Higher deductibles usually mean lower premiums, but make sure you can afford the deductible amount in case of an accident. Factor number 3, premiums. The cost of your auto insurance policy depends on various factors, such as your age, driving history, the type of vehicle you drive, and even your location. It's wise to shop around and compare quotes from different insurance providers to find the best deal. Factor number 4, discounts and benefits. Many insurance companies offer discounts for safe driving, bundling multiple policies, or installing anti-theft devices in your vehicle. Take advantage of these discounts to lower your premiums and get additional benefits. Factor number 5, driver education. Completing an approved driver education program can sometimes lead to lower insurance premiums as it demonstrates your commitment to safe driving. So consider enrolling in a driving school to enhance your driving skills and potentially save on insurance. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about auto insurance in Canada. Misconception number 1, the color of your car affects your insurance premium. This is false. Misconception number 2, your auto insurance covers everything. Actually, auto insurance has limits and exclusions. It's crucial to read and understand your policy to know what is and isn't covered. When it comes to determining the best auto insurance companies in Canada, it can vary depending on individual needs and preferences. However, here are some reputable and well-known insurance providers that consistently receive positive reviews and have a strong presence in the Canadian market. Intact Insurance. Known for comprehensive coverage options and excellent customer service, Intact Insurance is one of Canada's largest auto insurance providers. TD Insurance. Backed by the TD Bank Group, TD Insurance offers competitive rates and a variety of coverage options, along with convenient features like online quotes and claims management. Aviva Canada. Aviva is a trusted name in the insurance industry, known for its extensive coverage options, innovative features, and strong customer satisfaction ratings. Desjardins Insurance. As one of the largest cooperative financial groups in Canada, Desjardins offers a range of insurance products, including auto insurance. They are known for their personalized service and discounts for bundling policies. Cooperators Insurance. The Cooperators is a well-established insurance provider known for its commitment to sustainability and community involvement. They offer competitive rates and customizable coverage options. Sonnet Insurance. Sonnet is a digital insurance provider offering a streamlined online experience. They provide flexible coverage options and competitive rates, catering to tech-savvy individuals. Remember, it's always recommended to research and compare quotes from multiple insurance companies to find the best coverage and rates that suit your specific needs. Remember, it's important to regularly review your auto insurance policy to ensure it still meets your needs. Life circumstances and driving habits can change, and you want to make sure you have adequate coverage. That wraps up our crash course on auto insurance in Canada. I hope you found this information helpful in navigating the world of insurance. If you have any questions or want us to cover more topics, please let us know in the comments below. Safe travels, and until next time,